In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trust badges on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. Trust badges are those small, recognizable icons that reassure shoppers your store is secure and reliable, and they can make a real difference in conversion. In Dawn, there are two main ways to add them. The easiest and most flexible method is to use a Shopify app. If you prefer full control and don't want to rely on an app, there's also a manual code approach. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the quick app method so you can get results fast. There are several solid apps that work smoothly with Dawn. Options like PX Trust Badges and Icons, Tiny Icons, Trust Badges and Feature Icons, GOAT, Trust Badges and Icons, and Iconic. Trust Badges and Icons offer ready-made libraries, the ability to upload your own icons, and straightforward placement on product pages. Choose the one that fits your style and feature needs. Once you've picked an app, start by installing it from the Shopify App Store. Installation is simple and only takes a moment. With the app installed, head to your Shopify admin, open Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. From the theme editor, switch to your product page template so you're working exactly where shoppers view items. Now place the badges. Most of these apps add either an app block directly in the product information section or an app embed that you can toggle on. Add the app's block or enable the embed, then drag it to your preferred spot. The two most effective locations are just below the Add to Cart button or close to the price. These are high-trust areas where the reassurance has the biggest impact. If your app lets you adjust spacing, size, or alignment, keep things clean and consistent with your brand. A simple row of clear, high-contrast icons usually performs best. Use the app's settings to select the badges you want: security, payment methods, shipping, or guarantees, and, if supported, upload your own icons to match your brand style. Avoid clutter. 3 to 5 meaningful badges are more persuasive than a long, busy strip. When you're happy with the placement and look, click. Save and preview your product page. Check a few products and view on both desktop and mobile to confirm the badges are legible, and don't crowd your call to action. If anything feels too large or distracting, dial it back in the app settings and save again. That's it. Using an app in the Dawn theme gets trust badges live fast, with flexibility to fine-tune the design. And if you ever need absolute control, remember there's a manual code route as well.